Hello, I am Raka Rao, CEO of Dutchland Plastics. Thank you for your interest in learning more about our rotational molding business and value-added services. We provide a full range of support from engineering, manufacturing, to procurement and drop shipments. We're a one-stop shop. We pride ourselves in providing exceptional quality at the best cost. Every day, our Dutchland team strives to deliver solutions to our customers, which is one of our core values. We cover a wide range of markets, including recreational, specialty furniture, lawn and garden, industrial, among many others. By leveraging over 50 years of deep expertise in rotational molding, we excel at optimizing your overall cost of ownership from product design through customer delivery. Our team is dedicated to the success of your business. Together, we will think big and achieve great things.
Founded in 1967, Dutchland was acquired in 2017 by A&M Capital Opportunities, also known as AMCO, a middle-market private equity partnership. Together, AMCO and Dutchland have grown into the third-largest custom rotational molding company in North America and continue to proudly invest in their people, processes, and systems to enhance and scale the business. We are headquartered in Oostburg, Wisconsin, just minutes north of Milwaukee, and in 2018, the company expanded its operations by establishing a manufacturing facility in Canastota, New York, located just minutes east of Syracuse. From our operating locations, Dutchland has the reach to efficiently service our customer base wherever they need. Our employees make the difference. Collectively, we have years of roto-molding experience across our tenured employees. Each and every associate lives by a set core of values, which includes customer solutions, thinking big, value creation, employer of choice, continuous improvement, and bias for action. These principles, combined with a winning attitude, ensure our valued customers receive the exceptional products and services they deserve. We are, after all, made in the USA proud. Rotational molding remains at the heart of what we do at Dutchland. We operate some of the largest roto-molding machines in the market, capable of producing products from 1 to 500 plus pounds and up to 17 feet in length with simple or complex designs. But our capabilities don't stop there. Dutchland is your turnkey contract manufacturing provider for end-to-end supply chain solutions and full-service project management. Our engineering and technical support team guides your product development process from ideation or VOC through product delivery. We deploy a disciplined new product development stage gate process to ensure product launches are delivered on time, on budget, and on quality specification. As part of our stage gate process, Dutchland engineering professionals provide critical manufacturability and technical input to your mold design and will facilitate build and validation activities. Extensive experience in selection and application of various polyethylene, flexible and rigid PVC, cross-link, engineered, specialty, and flame retardant resins will ensure product requirements meet or exceed performance expectations. Further leveraging our strategic relationship with global polyresin suppliers, as well as our in-house blending and pulverization capabilities, allow us to provide infinite solutions for complex resin needs and ensure cost competitiveness. For customers with existing product molds, we offer a Supplier Quick Connect program, which is a unique supplier transition process designed to ensure the seamless transfer of your molds and fixtures while mitigating supply risk to your business. Adding value to your roto-mold products through advanced secondary operations and mold maintenance is a clear differentiator for Dutchland. The extent of value-add services is only limited by the needs of your product and supply chain design. From post-molding operations utilizing robotic automation, CNC equipment, or dedicated semi-automated tooling assist, simple to complex assembly with more than 300 components, to specialized additive features to your products such as rigid foaming or foam filling for insulation and/or structural requirements, and flexible foaming providing a cushion-like function. We understand your supply chain needs go well beyond the walls of the manufacturing floor. This is why we offer warehousing and distribution services. This includes direct customer shipments from a single unit to a full truckload of your product. On our factory floor and across our supply chains, lean manufacturing methods are used to ensure quality, delivery, and cost objectives are concisely met for our customers. Our Dutchland production system provides the tools and resources for our employees at all levels of the organization to continuously improve their work methods.
The Dutchland production system organizes our manufacturing and logistics processes, including the interactions with our customers and our suppliers. This fully integrated system considers critical planning and execution processes from new product development through end consumer delivery. But the key factor in deployment of the Dutchland production system has been our employees and how they've embraced our continuous improvement culture.
A key element of Dutchland's production system is our quality management system, which provides our customers with the confidence that our process and controls meet or exceed their quality specifications every time. This is the Dutchland way, and this is our commitment to you as a customer.
Thank you for listening to our message of why Dutchland is the partner of choice for any rotational molding and value-added service needs. Together, through a collaborative approach, we can simplify your supply chain, improve the quality and delivery and cost of your existing products, or help your new products to market more quickly. Through our passionate employees, together, we can think big. To learn more or to contact us, please visit our website at www.dutchland.com.